Good morning and welcome to Policing TV. I'm here today in Stratford at the CCTV conference, the NPCC CCTV conference. Let's go in, see who we can meet and see who we can speak to.
Good morning everybody and welcome to the National CCTV Conference 2025. You're very, very welcome here and we are delighted to have you as part of our CCTV community.
Okay, welcome everyone. Welcome to the NPCC and PCMA National CCTV Conference. Bigger than ever this year, over 220 people. There are some familiar faces in the audience for me, so it's nice to see people again. So welcome to people who've been here before and welcome to people who this is their first event.
Okay, good morning, my name's Tony Gleason. I'm delighted to be here in Stratford-upon-Avon at the National Police Chiefs Council CCTV meeting and conference along with the Public CCTV Managers Association. The aim for these 2 days is to share information, intelligence and collaboration with our policing partners, but we've been working for a number of years with them with the sole aim to make the streets of our country safer, community safety, public safety and collaboration of intelligence with the use of CCTV surveillance from local authorities.
Good morning. I'm very happy today to have presented to the National CCTV Conference. I think this is perhaps the third or fourth time I've done this, and every time there are important issues to bring to the attention of this conference about the regulation of forensic science. It's relatively new and people are adjusting to it, but it's important and it underpins the provision of reliable and accurate evidence to the criminal justice system. So I'm grateful for the opportunity and I hope that everyone takes on board the requirements of the code and delivers effective CCTV evidence into the criminal justice system.
Yeah, so I'm Andy Reid, I'm the National Capabilities Manager for CCTV and I've helped organise this event to bring all our colleagues together, particularly with the Police CCTV Managers Association, the PCMA, who've been really good in helping us with any collaborative work with local authorities and making sure that policing really understands the critical nature of CCTV and what they do. And it's thanks to people like you see here who are really coming together over the next 2 days to really discuss all of their issues and ideas together and really promote the use of CCTV, not only in local authorities but within policing as a criminal investigation tool. And it's really good to see everybody here this couple of days. So thanks to everyone for coming along.
I'm Paul Taylor, I'm the Chief Scientific Advisor for Policing. I'm delighted to be here at the CCTV conference. The theme of the conference is collaboration, and that's a message that I'm particularly keen on: collaboration with industry, collaboration with academia. These are the ways in which we can innovate collectively together and improve policing in all areas.
Hi, my name's Ceri Evans with Hanwha Vision. We're really proud to be one of the drink sponsors here and being involved with the NPCC conference. So a little bit about Hanwha really. We're a global manufacturer of CCTV products, been going for approximately 33 years. So we used to be part of Samsung, then Hanwha acquired the Samsung business. What do we do from a policing point of view? So we've got a lot of products within the range. So we do everything from kind of police cells to working in kind of specialist crime units. It's very much focused on new technology, so especially everything around AI. So we're looking about how the police can get information a lot quicker, so that kind of object detection and metadata tagging really is really key for us, and it really helps the police. But just in terms of what we're doing now, it's all about collaboration really. It's just working with people from kind of all walks of the police really.
Hi, Nick Joynson here from Motorola Solutions. We're really happy to be here today at the NPCC CCTV event. It's great for us to be able to show the kind of portfolio of technology we've got in this space. So we have CCTV, of course, but really what makes more sense in a policing context is the wider portfolio, the ability to take video content, to analyse it, to use facial recognition techniques, for example, but also real-time video and really helping with situational awareness for policing.
All right, well, my name is Jacob, and I was able to talk about the snake oil filter today. So what the snake oil filter is, and you can read more about it on Policing Insights, what the snake oil filter is it's a three-step pipeline that police can use to identify, separate effective AI tools from those that may be less effective. And here's how the 3 steps go. Step number 1 is the validation test. It tests to see whether the software works in a controlled setting. Step number 2 is the impact evaluation. It tests to see if police can use the software in their operations in a way that makes a measurable difference. Step number 3 is something called monitoring, where you take the system, you watch its effects over time, and you make sure it's consistent. So I argue that by using these 3 steps, police can effectively identify AI tools that can make a really amazing impact on their operations.
Hi, I'm Professor William Webster, and I am chairing the National CCTV Conference organised by the NPCC and the PCMA. This is a really important event because it's an event which brings together practitioners working in the world of surveillance cameras. We're spending 2 days talking about surveillance camera provision. We're spending 2 days talking about surveillance camera governance. It's a really good opportunity for experts in surveillance to share their knowledge and to network. This is really important for the future provision of surveillance cameras in the UK, and it's a really exciting opportunity to share knowledge, develop new knowledge, and to go back to our constituent organisations with new ways of doing things. I've been chairing this event for quite a few years now, and I've seen with my own eyes the benefits that it can bring the community of surveillance camera practitioners. I think it's a great opportunity and it's a great event to be associated with.
Hi, I'm Mike Gillespie, Chief Executive at Advent-IM. I'm here at this event to talk about the importance of information security in physical security, particularly with video surveillance. The proliferation of devices, the mass deployment of the technology, the overlay of artificial intelligence is creating more data now than ever before. It's absolutely vital as organizations we understand the data that's being created, why it's being created, what its purpose is, and then we get to use it for that purpose, but also that we use it in a way that is lawful, ethical, responsible, and most importantly, that maintains the transparency with the citizens themselves so that we maintain citizen trust. And we have to make sure that we go through that RRD cycle, the review, retain, and deletion cycle, so we're not just holding on to all this information forever, because that in itself increases risk.
Hi everybody, I'm delighted to be here in Stratford-upon-Avon at the CCTV conference. I'm representing AMP Software, an Italian company based in Trieste. We have a subsidiary in the US and customers in over 100 countries. And our goal is to be the standard for video and image enhancement, conversion and authentication. And I'm happy to be here with our UK distributor Mike.
Thanks, Alex. Hi, yes, we're really excited because whilst AMP software is available in virtually every force in the UK for deepfake detection and processing, now we're happy that there's force-wide solutions where every officer can have a tool on their desktop that gives them the tools to easily and quickly do their job with CCTV processing, but in a way that suits the force's overall accreditation needs. So, as the tagline says, justice through science.
I'm Assistant Chief Constable Jenny Gilmer from South Wales Police, and I'm the National Police Chiefs Council lead for CCTV. We're at the end of the 2025 CCTV conference, and it has been an excellent couple of days. We've had some great speakers who've been sharing their knowledge and experience of working in this field, some of them for many, many years. It's been a great opportunity for the CCTV community to come together to share their experience, their learning, best practice, new initiatives, and to make plans for the 12 months to come.